guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've last uploaded, but I think you're going to agree with me when I say the wait was well worth it, because I've got something pretty cool to show you guys. So this right here is my fully 3D printed Mandalorian helmet. As you can see on the inside here, I don't know how well you can see, but you can see where the seams are from where it's glued together. I think this was 8 pieces. These pieces here on the side too are also glued on. And I'm pretty proud of this thing. It's fully painted it, like 3 or 4 colors. We got the silver on the headpiece here and on the side ear pieces. Then also I did some like weathering and scarring and stuff, and then there's also the black here on the inside and the blue. I still haven't put in like a plastic like face part here. I haven't been able to find one. Other than that, got this really cool Mandalorian logo on the top. I don't know how well you can see with the glare from the light, but I'm really proud of this thing, and I hope you guys think it's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed.